Hey everybody, it's Mike Kerr, and this is another episode of What's Going On at Hear the Watchmen. We're out here at the Calico Buffalo Base Camp tearing down. It's been an incredible weekend. Lives have been changed, including my own. I have to admit, I came to this camp with a hardened heart. My soul felt broken. I was ready to just cash it in with Hear the Watchmen. You know, as you can imagine, I hear thousands of testimonies and I hear thousands of excuses for why people can't come out and gather in person. It's been rough. 2016 we started and it was great. And then over time, COVID came and everything changed. And there's been a shift. And I hope that we see another shift where we all start to gather together as we did here. My life changed here. I'm restored. I'm rejuvenated. I'm ready. I've spoken to the Lord and I have clear direction on where we're going to take care of the Watchmen once we get back to Salmon, Idaho. So we're going to come back swinging. I can tell you that. There's going to be some real different stuff going on, and we're going to be out there again, meeting in person, and we want you to come. Send us a note. Just email Mike Kerr, Kerr 777 at gmail.com. Let me know what you guys want in your hometown, because it is time. We are a village, and you are part of that village. So come on out, be a part of the remnant body of Christ, and gather again together.